Attorney Jason Abraham, managing partner of Hupy and Abraham, and I am so excited to be here with Peter Eppen, the professor of business law at Wisconsin Lutheran College. I have been here for 2 days, having the time of my life. Peter, thank you so much. What have we been doing here with your class?
Well, I think first and foremost, what I'm looking for is I'm looking for role models to show to my class. I'm looking for, business people who want to give back to the community. And so just really by blessings and luck, I was introduced to you, Jason, through your company. And about 4 years, we had the pleasure of having you out. And one of the things that's been neat about my opportunity to have you on campus is to have somebody who really cares about the community. I remember one of the things that you said to me about trying cases is it's really not about the money. It's the fact that people who hire you have the right to, just superior representation.
It's been fun because 4 years ago, I know when we were talking about cases and suing and litigation, you had one view, and now through things you've been able to watch and read and see, you understand there may be a totally different reality, and it's been super fun. I am just so impressed with your school and the kids.
The reason that it's so great to have you come on campus is, again, ethics is a very important part of what we teach our business students. And as you've said in my classes, you only have one chance to really establish that reputation. And so our job here is to serve our students and to create business people who embrace, the ethics of what God asks us to do in the community. And a big part of that really is service. Serving people.
And the kids are, all these kids I've met over the last 4 years, and we've done this, I think, every semester to different kids, have been so engaging, so wanting to learn. And for me, it's just so exciting to be able to see you because we're friends and I know how important your class is to you. And not only to get to know you better, but to see your passion through your kids and do this. It's really been amazing. And I can't say thank you enough for allowing me to come in and just give my spiel, talk about how passionate I am about being a personal injury lawyer, and just getting to see you and meet these kids is really an awesome experience for me.
Well, for us, Jason, to be able to have somebody like you who has the success that you do, but also the focus on serving people and the ethics. You talked in the class how the cornerstone of your business really is the ethics in which you represent the people who come to you is such a blessing for us, my friend. I don't know how to say thank you, sincerely.
It's just great to be with you. I can't wait to do it again next summer. I can't wait to play some golf this summer. But thank you again for having me. I really appreciate it.